Hi guys, I'm interested in how to add remove magnification on your OPPO A2. If yes, today I will show you how to do it. Welcome to Hardware Set Info channel. Firstly, to do it, we must open settings application. In it, we go to the additional settings, where we tap Accessibility and Vision, where we have our magnification. To turn on it, we press there and now switch on. Confirm by OK, and there we have our magnification, which position we can easily change. To zoom our screen, we must tap on our magnification and tap on screen. To change position of zoom, we use two fingers and scroll on our screen. And to turn off it, we press on our magnification. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.